guitars. Welcome to Austin. Okay, so I'm feeling this hotel so far. I'm also extremely deaf at the moment from the plane. I don't know if that happens to you all, but here is the pool. I did not expect it to be outdoors and this awesome. There's a friggin' cavern in it. Like, you could literally make out in there. I did not expect that. Wait. Hello. Definitely somewhere I'm not supposed to be because this hallway is really cool, and this is the executive meeting center. And I am but a lowly undergraduate, you know. This hotel's pretty interesting. Okay, so we're out here. I'm at Joe's. I got these breakfast tacos. They should be amazing. They look like they're gonna be amazing. Yeah, this is extremely promising. And there are all these cute little birds with us. So Sweet is so cute. Every year he gives us a bag to put our stuff in. We always get a water bottle, but this is literally the best one yet. Like, ooh. We'll be using the heck out of this. This is so cute. And yeah, we get some goodies, a badge, a bunch of guides about all the different days, all different events each day. So yeah, it's really great to be able to put all your stuff in this bag and have it consolidated. So I got my little LGBTQ things. And I'm an entrepreneur because in the past I was like an e-board member, like a speaker last year. I didn't know what to do this year, so I picked that. And then I have my they them sticker. I'm so glad that they had this again. I'm probably still gonna get misgendered all the time anyway, but at least it's there. Hopefully people will pay attention. So I'm observing nature and all, and these are literally the first organically occurring herb plants I've ever seen in the wild. And honestly, I might try to harvest one of these little guys because, hello, they're always overpriced and these are free. But that's so cool. I never really thought about how they grow and where they come from. Okay, so more deadish looking air plants, and then there is a beautiful snowy white bird in that tree right there. I wish you would turn around and look. This looks like there's some really legit spiders living here. This is so beautiful. And like so quiet. I love this. Oh, so pretty. This is really pretty too. So yeah, I guess this is the Mexican American Cultural Center, which makes sense. It's pretty nice. It's all connected by this like waterfront walkway, so that's cool. This looks like it's gonna be some sort of really pretty waterfront lookout. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. I'm trying to hang out here. Okay. Oh, there's a trail that way? Are you serious right now? This is so cool. Like, to be able to just hang out here anytime, like, seriously? It's so pleasant. And there are like these secret trails in each direction. I wonder where they go. Like oh, wow, a leaf just hit me. Okay. Well, I love seeing the different plant life places too. You know, like look at these little things. And yeah, there are literally free air plants just like on the ground. Amazing. I'm taking that, by the way. Yeah, basically just doing everything but attending this conference, but it's fine. Life is so good right about now. It's happy hour. I made it to this cool vegan place, Counterculture, and I'm waiting for my food. This is a lavender lemonade mimosa and it's so good. I didn't even know such a thing as a lavender lemonade mimosa was possible, but it is, and it's absolutely delicious. Beet burger and cornbread. Lemonade mimosa. It's a good day. Okay, I see what you're doing and I like it. This house is great. There are cats here. Hi. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, be my friends, please. I literally keep finding cats. Like there's a Siamese one in the corner over there. I wish I could see more. And I saw another one over here. I don't know what this place is, but I love it. Y'all are the best! Ah! Literally, Flower Game's so strong, they're taking over the electrical wires. Like, I want that to be my driveway. Yes, please, sign me up, friends. My prawn friends. Love it. That is a wild turkey. Oh my god, you're eating something dead. No, I don't want to disturb you. No, come eat your meal. These are like really flimsy. Are these even conifers? They're so like soft. I don't know. Yeah, I'm in this park. I should have remembered the name of the park, but I don't. It's pretty easy. And then there's like this really cool, like long ramp across the river. I don't know what that's about, but pretty neat. A dog. It's like just like Boston, except not. No comment on this, I guess. Oh, now I get it. Yep. Because I didn't see that. I was looking for like a hole, like an actual hole in the wood. Nice. Nice. And yeah, the water is great. So nice. This must be a gang because now I'm seeing their stuff in more than one place. It's an interesting mystery. I'm just literally obsessed with all these plants. I don't know, like more fronds. This one's really random because there's nothing around here like it. Like the rest are just regular trees. Maybe these fake conifers, I don't know. Everything's beautiful. What the f? Everything's so pretty. Yeah, this is pretty cool actually. There are all these birds living in this parking lot. Like, there's a nest right up there. And they're so loud. I wish we had birds like this at home. I'm sure the people who live here are like really done with them, but I think they're really musical and pretty. Look at them roots. It's an impressive amount of roots. I like it. Literally, there are airplanes growing in all the trees. It's so cool. Yeah, look at this spooky bridge. I'm like so ready. So ready. Oh my gosh. Literally so beautiful. Look at this bridge. It's so cool. There's all these like canals and stuff, so this is probably like the end of one of them, I would guess. Where am I? This is so cool. I wish Boston was like this. That's a yes. That's so cute. Boston could literally never dream of being this cool. Like, what? I love it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, that hip. That's gory. I want to go here tonight. So I'm in the gym because I didn't know where else to film late at night. And do you ever like put on makeup and feel like you haven't like gotten enough use out of it? Like not enough people saw you, or you've only had it on for like a few hours, so you just like don't want to take it off before you do something else with it. Because that's kind of where I'm at right now. I guess if I like wore makeup more frequently, that wouldn't be a thing because it would just be an everyday thing. But yeah, I'm in the gym. I didn't know what would be appropriate. I'm gonna go to bed after this, but I thought it would be smart to like recap the day. So yeah, the conference was really good, day one. I am loving Austin more than I like ever expected so far. It was truly so nice. People are so kind. The weather is perfect. I saw all this cool nature. No one harassed me that much at all. Like even the people who said things to me on the street were just like, hi, and like nice things. And like I like your shades and like compliments, like actual compliments. Maybe that's like problematic to say, but I didn't feel threatened or unsafe at any point, which I can't really say of like Boston or anywhere else. So yeah, tomorrow's day two, the career fair. I'm personally still not really that interested in the career fair just because there isn't usually that much for bioengineering specifically. When I was MacE my sophomore year, I was like a bit more engaged, but there'll be a lot of free stuff and a lot of like opportunities to interview for people who do want to do that. And yeah, it should be fun. We have our mandatory group dinner at night, and then hopefully we'll be going out and doing something fun. And it's Friday, it's like night one of Halloween weekend. If you don't count this like Thirsty Thursday as night one, I don't know. I really just need to get like a smaller vlogging camera so it's easier for me to do like shots of my face without like holding up an entire DSLR. So don't mind my under eye bags. That's just like always gonna be a thing, no matter how much cream I put on. But we're out here in this gym, Capitol building. I'm really loving like wash 2 of the Transylvania. You can like really start to see the like dark blue. And then I feel like I only see purple in like a few spots, but when I do, I get really excited. I'm like so down for it to also be a little bit purpley. Yeah. Good looks all around. I'm really glad no one's using this gym right now. Because now it's my filming space, so check out day 2. Good night. So I'm out here. I thought I would go check out the capital of Texas. I did not, like I would be lying if I told you that I realized Austin was the capital before I came here. I totally would have guessed that it was like Houston or something. But indeed, it's the capital. It looks really good in the sunset. It's just like a really pretty park area. There's like a really funky looking tree over here and a sculpture, so I think I'm gonna go check that out It looks like too many people sat in that tree and now it's like wilting, but I'm gonna go see. Please help preserve this historic tree. Keep off. That's too bad. I mean, I can see the compulsion to want to sit in this tree. It's like pretty cool, but it's clearly old and this branch is strung, so I get it as much as I want to go hang out in this tree. Oh no. I was like, is this what I think it is? And it absolutely is. Yep. Confederate monument. I'm gonna give you a little 360. We got all the dates that things happened and like key players up top, I guess. Ay, ay, ay. What a mess. What a mess. That's so funny. I didn't even expect to find this, but of course. I just don't know, like, obviously Austin is like the best place to be gay. That isn't the coast or whatever it was in Big Mouth, but I don't know, I just feel vaguely oppressed here. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. This is really pretty, I've gotta say. Would I live here? No. Would I chill at this tourist attraction? Yes. Oh, why is this here? Is that the Illuminati symbol and dragon script? What am I looking at right now? Oh, yo, I love me a good tree. Look at this tree. You are so old. What have you seen? What do you know? I wish you could talk. So, it was really freezing, and this was a very weird experience. I'm gonna go back to the hotel because the gals and I are gonna get dinner, and it should be a cute